Hey everybody, just a real quick product review. Do not buy this brake kit at Harbor Freight. Um, they advertise this as a um, complete caliper service toolkit, and it isn't. It comes with this. It comes with these little discs with, little pegs sticking out of it. This is meant for rear calipers only. Okay, that's it. This is not to be used on front calipers. This part's not removable. The only thing you can do is turn this, center locking nut. And this, you can't put it on from the front. You see what I mean? To get it on there, you got to loop it through here, like so, for it to be like so. This is like the dumbest design. They have kits identical to this on Amazon for like 20 bucks. If you want one, pick it up there. This was $42 at Harbor Freight. I am thoroughly dissatisfied. And I generally love Harbor Freight. I mean, I'm genuinely a big fan of Harbor Freight. But this, for the money, 100% not worth it. I tried using this on a twin, a modern car that has dual pistons in the front, on the front calipers, and this is not nearly adequate for that. I couldn't really get it in there at all. I couldn't get this in here, into the caliper with this on, and then when I took this piece off, I could not get it into the front caliper. Anyway, long story short, this does not work for a modern car twin piston caliper. So do not buy this set. Buy a set off Amazon or somewhere else. So instead of this, I went down to Lowe's and I got this. And this worked. Old school. Anyway, just a pro tip. This brand, this Maddox brake caliper kit, this is trash. Don't buy it. Have a good day.